Do you constantly juggle work and other tasks on the go? Lighten the load, literally, with these mini tech gadgets. Discover them in the blog. Maybe you're a busy student running between classes. Or perhaps you work remotely and frequently set up shop anywhere. If you spend ample time out and about each day, then this roundup is for you. We're highlighting our favorite mini tech gadgets that make life on the go easier. Power a multitude of devices with the ZMI PowerPack 10K. It's compatible with iPhones, Samsung Galaxy series phones, iPads, Fitbits, Bluetooth headphones, Kindles, and more. Featuring a generous 10,000 mAh battery, it can charge your devices completely, so you won't have to worry about your battery running low when you're on the go. Furthermore, this power bank boasts a woven fabric exterior that's comfortable to hold and prevents the surface from receiving scratches. This design also enables this power bank to blend into all offices, so you won't mind keeping it on display. Finally, the ZMI PowerPack 10K also weighs only 7.41 ounces and measures 5.54 inches by 2.83 inches by 0.63 inches for a lightweight, portable form. This ensures that it won't take up much room on your desk and allows you to store it in your purse. Experience comfortable typing with 30% more key travel than a MacBook Air when you have the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 2. It features a 12.4 inches vibrant Pixel Sense touchscreen with a 3:2 aspect ratio to bring visuals to life. Moreover, this sleek laptop has an improved HD camera and dual studio microphones. They allow you to look and sound your best. It also lets you jump right into your workflow with a lift of the lid. Plus, Windows Hello lets you activate this laptop through the fingerprint reader integrated into the power button. Furthermore, this portable laptop packs a lot of power thanks to the quad-core 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. Finally, with an all-day battery life and fast charging technology, it's the ideal companion to use in the office and at coffee shops. Fast charge 2 laptops at once? You read that right, with the AOHI Magcube 120W desktop charger. Boasting dual USB-C ports with 120 watts total output, this little gadget supports simultaneous fast charging of 2 laptops. And it offers up to 100 watts PD fast charging during single port use. This means it can fast charge a MacBook Pro 16 from 0% to 45% in only 30 minutes. Its 4 ports use intelligent power allocation technology, distributing 120 watts of power to charge 4 devices at the same time. So all your connected devices get simultaneous high-speed charging. Furthermore, it measures only 1.77 inches by 1.77 inches by 3.35 inches and weighs just 0.84 pounds, making it easy to take with you on the go. Using GaN technology, this high-speed USB charging station provides fast charging to pretty much all USB-A and USB-C phones, tablets, laptops, speakers, switches, and more. Create, erase, and create again with Nuka Eternal stationery. Including a rewritable notebook and metal pencil powered by an app, this set ensures you'll never need another notebook again. With a waterproof design made for an eternal life cycle, the paper inside the Eternal notebook is nearly impossible to tear. Furthermore, you can write with the Nuka metal pencil or a typical pen, and you can erase anything. Additionally, the Eternal pencil writes with metal that doesn't run out and needs no sharpening. This writing instrument has a metal alloy tip that leaves an oxidized mark on the paper. It looks like a regular pencil mark. Use the Nuka app to think on paper and work in digital, transferring your note to digital before you erase it by simply scanning it. You can even search handwritten text using built-in handwriting recognition. Keep yourself and your phone clean with the Star Photon Innovations Titan self-cleaning phone case. Using photocatalytic processes, it actually stops the development and spread of viruses and bacteria. Made with advanced self-cleaning silicone, it's also effective against microorganisms. Additionally, it provides the daily wear and tear protection and minor impact resistance that you need. Overall, Titan effectively cleans itself through the process of mineralization, where the case's outer material has nanoparticles that completely and quickly degrade viruses and microorganisms. Furthermore, it works against most organic compounds that come into contact with its surface. In fact, most dirty spots go away after exposure to sunlight. Made in the USA, it even works with your wireless charger, integrating into your life with ease. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.